Heyo guys, it's currently Sunday no? Papunta akong office. It's April 14, 2024. Yeah. It's 100, day 105 ng daily vlog. Supposedly nasa bahay pa dapat ako nagpapahinga. Pero kakaiba ngayon kasi pasahin ng thesis ni Glay bukas at may konting ayusin lang na sa papers niya, so kaya kailangan ko din tumulong sa kanya tonight. So pupunta akong office para supportahan siya kasi presentation niya na bukas no? And ayoko naman na syempre ayoko ma-fail siya no? Gusto ko pumasa siya sa presentation niya and hopefully makagraduate na dun no? Yun yung inaasam ko na makagraduate din siya, makagraduate siya. So yeah, we just have to do our very best tonight na matapos yung paper. Yeah, laban lang. And talagang for all the uncontrollable things no, mga bagay na hindi na talaga kaya, bahala na yung ama talaga no? So we just have to keep our faith in times of difficulty. So yeah, it's currently 11 p.m. na. Dawi ako sa office. At baka diretso na din ako bukas nito. Baon ako ng damit no. Kasi Lunes bukas may shift ulit na pasok ulit. So yeah, so far no, April 14, so far so good naman yung taon kasi in the positive side, nababawasan yung utang ko and I thank God for that no? And this I mean by the end of March na-receive ko na din yung changes sa salary no, which is addition no? I'm very grateful for no. Thank you talaga no? So grateful talaga ako sa itaas no? And yeah, I just have to continue to be grateful no? Sa sitwasyon. I just have to continue to pray for our families as well, also to our country. Currently medyo high tension no, sa West Philippine Sea and yung disputed lands no, sa islands din sa part na yun no, between China and the Philippines. Hopefully maintain yung peace no? We don't want war to break out no? So yeah, and medyo nanggagaslight lang talaga din yung media kasi araw-araw yun yung laman no? Yeah, so again we just have to continue to do our best no? Kahit feeling natin na syempre may mga pangarap tayo at mga pangarap natin malaki talaga, so walang shortcut papunta din, talagang paunti-unti no? So yun lang yung iniisip ko araw-araw na paunti-unti lang no? Like yung binabayaran ko halimbawa yung utang ko, so yun paunti-unti lang no? And hopefully after a month or two matapos na ako dun no? And then after that focus na sa savings, and yun talaga yung pinaka inaasam ko na part sa time na makakasave na talaga ako finally na yung month na wala na akong problema utang na. And yung extra income ko is may save ko na, no? So yun talaga yung maganda. Yeah, so we just have to continue to do our best to do good, no? Keep the good relationship with our workmate, no? Our relationship with everyone, even to a stranger, no? Kailangan as much as possible, ano, talagang pure yung heart natin, no? And we need to forgive as well, forgive others, just have to be humble, no? Yeah, so that's it. Dito na sa office at tapos ko lang kumain, so gawa muna ako, no? It's 11:34 a.m. It's already Monday, no? Dito ko na end yung Sunday vlog, yung day 105 na. Talaga nag-work lang ako, nulungan ko lang yung girlfriend ko, ano. Glad di natapos naman yung gawain, so